Off we go to Bricoman. Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia. So, hello. Well, guess what? Stefano did not record any audio for this segment. So, guess who gets to do it? Yeah. Let me review my notes and enjoy the ride to Bricoman. Okay, here we are. What do we have here? Ooh, I want to see the stuff out front. Usually in the US it's lawnmowers and wheelbarrows and stuff like that. But that looked interesting. So let's take a look. And, pizza oven. Definitely. Not this trip, but gotta have a pizza oven up on the terrace. And I guess there are fireplaces. Are these like kind of barbecue looking things? They're kind of ugly, but I don't know. If you can cook something in it, I want one. I know that much. Grilled meat. All right, let's go inside and check out the bathroom stuff. Here we go. A nice rain head shower. I like that. They all come with like the wand. I mean, I can reach everything. Maybe if you can't reach everything, you need the wand. But anyway, that's some good selection. The Star Trek shower assembly thing, I'm not sure about that. Looks kind of scary to me, honestly. Okay, toilets. Let's talk toilets. Toilets are big business, literally. Hold up. Is that a squat toilet? Okay. I didn't know I was in that kind of a country. Who's that for, anyway? Your mother-in-law? That's for you, John, in Milwaukee. And what about these toilets next to it? I mean, I could make some comments, might get in trouble. How about you guys make the comments below and explain what those two toilets right there with the aggressive opening in the front to allow what? Not exactly sure. Anyway, let's keep going. Okay, a good selection of contemporary and kind of traditional. I'm not big on the hang the toilet from the wall thing. I weigh 200 kilos. I'm not too confident about being in that position, hanging on the wall. if you know what I mean. Anyway, I like a rounded front. There's some there with the square front. Not so sure about that. Anyway, one of these, I think it gets pointed out a little later on. One of the more contemporary looking ones. And let's see. Some sinks, some basin sinks. I think in the bathroom remodeling, they talked about using a basin sink. Okay, like this right here, center screen. Not too bad. Looks comfortable, sits on the floor. I think that's important. It's basic. I think you see those in a lot of like hotel bathrooms and things like that. And he goes in for the scope inside. All right, looks good. I think I like the oblong one, a little on the larger side. Now we're shuffling back to, oh yeah, these are one of those, they sit a little taller. I think as you get older, you can appreciate not having to, you know, get up so far or down so far, depending on how you look at it. Anyway, some more of the basin sink. I think the idea here is in the bathroom remodel was probably some kind of live edge wood shelf of some kind in the little alcove. And anyway, faucets. You ever driven yourself crazy trying to pick out faucets? I think this is going to happen here. Look at this. There's like a zillion. And which side is hot and which side is cold? They had it differently in Switzerland. Drove me crazy. I want a red dot and a blue dot. Whatever it ends up with. Red dot, blue dot. Hot and cold. It's universal. Okay, here's the tile. I'll take off and you guys can watch, have a little ASMR tile viewing. I might throw in some captions, snide captions, but anyway, enjoy. So we end here with the walk-in shower pans. Not really practical in this house, given the size, dimensions, and in this house. So anyway, so no tile was purchased in this trip. There was some tiles selected, but naturally they were out of stock. So, and no idea when it would come back. So I think the plan will be our friends at Salento with Love have a friend that owns a tile shop, and our friend Davide will hopefully take us on another trip, and we'll be able to select something at that time. So you'll have to stay tuned for future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh. Applicant. Yeah.